Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can block users in your Slack workspace and channels from posting messages and chats in your channel. This feature is especially helpful if you're managing a Slack workspace and want to ensure that only certain people or teams can communicate in specific channels. So, let us dive right into it and show you how you can make that happen. First, head over to Slack and access your workspace in the top left corner. After that, what you want to do is select your channel here on the left side to apply these changes and settings. Let me go with this one here. If you'd like to block other users from posting messages, because, I don't know, maybe you're the admin and you want to be the only one who has the permission to send messages, this is how you can do it, guys. You can do that separately for each channel. Access your channel here, and after that, click on these three dots in the top right corner of your channel overview and select Edit Settings. Inside your channel settings, head over to the Settings tab on the right. Here, under Posting Permissions, simply click on Edit. After that, select Who is allowed, or who you want to be allowed to post in this channel. You can choose Everyone, which should be the default, everyone except guests, or you and specific people. Simply type in the given username for the person you would like to give the permission to send or post messages as well. However, if you leave it set to you and specific people without adding any usernames, you'll be the only one with permission to post in that group. This is useful when you want to keep certain channels focused and prevent unnecessary distractions. Don't forget to save changes here by clicking on the button. If you're managing a team or project and need to streamline communication, blocking users from posting in certain channels can help maintain order and ensure that important information isn't buried under unrelated messages. This is especially helpful for channels designated for announcements, company-wide updates, or important discussions. You can also apply these settings to private channels where only a specific group of people should communicate. You can go into the new App Store, and I can see the combination. This helps keep things organized and ensures that only relevant team members have access to certain discussions. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on future tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions for more videos, leave them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on our channel.